Today was the date that was set for a hearing. This is for non-payment of rent. I do have a consent order for conditional dismissal for you, Mr. Banner. Says the matter will be dismissed today upon the condition that you pay past due rent, $1,441.16 for support costs, $212.94 for a total of $16.56.10. That's for your rent due period of May 31st, 2026, correct? It says the defendant shall pay $300 commencing May 31st and continue until the balance is paid. That's $300 a week.
Correct, sir.
Okay. Until the balance is paid in full, payments will be applied first to the current monthly charges and then to the arrearage, correct?
Yes,
Okay, and that's your signature.
yes, ma'am.
You understand your right to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
You willing to waive that today? You also have the right to proceed to a trial where you get a demanded a jury trial. You understand that? You want to waive that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone threaten you to waive these rights?
Nope.
You have 3 business days to return to the court to request to set this aside if you later realize you misunderstood any of the rights that you've given up. Also, partial performance will not satisfy that. So if you don't do exactly what you say you're going to do, which is pay the $16.56 in increments of $300 a month, or you pay it all in advance. If you don't comply with that, they can request judgment to enter against you. You will not get a new notice for hearing. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions at this time?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank
We'll get you paperwork in just a moment.
you.
No problem. You can put the terms on the record.
I also do have a physical copy here too, if you would like.
You can put the terms on the record.
Absolutely.
Judge, the parties have agreed to a vacate date of on or before June 3rd. There is no monetary amount listed, and it is a 4B conditional dismissal.
Is that correct, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kathleen Price.
Yes, ma'am.
And is that how you want to proceed with the conditional dismissal?
Yes, ma'am.
And you want to give up your right to trial in order to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you're John Price,
Yes, ma'am.
and that's how you want to proceed, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And you want to give up your trial right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sign with both permissions, the defendants, and you both understand that partial performance will not satisfy this agreement, so you must follow the agreement to vacate on or before the date that you agreed on. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, judgment can enter against you. You will not get notice of a new court date. You understand that? Do you have any questions? You have 3 business days to return to the court. If once you leave here, you realize you misunderstood any of your rights, you can request to have this set aside, okay? I've signed it electronically. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
You're all set.
Nothing from
Thank you very
plaintiff.
much.
You're all set. Thank you.
Have a great day, all. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm filling in for Jessica Ross. She had a family emergency.
Appearance for the
So
record.
Billy DeShone on behalf of Kyra Jones.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Kesky was indicating that there's been a conditional dismissal.
That's correct.
Conditional dismissal is only as to Kyra Jones.
That's correct, Your Honor.
What are you doing with the rest of the individuals? Are you dismissing against them?
Well, we can, but Your Honor, we believe the lead tenant will honor these terms, and it would become
It's not
moot
about-
again.
It's not about that. I cannot just enter a conditional dismissal. I have to do something with the rest of the people on there or the cases lingering. And the civil department's gonna contact me and say, Judge, what do you want to do with the rest of these people? And I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss them. So I'm asking you on the record if you want to dismiss them.
Well, we can send in dismissals, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, so Bianca Pierce and Iva Jones will be dismissed. Who's Bianca? Okay, you can step back there. Thank you. And then you are Kyra.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, so the conditional dismissal states that you will pay the past due rent 1403.57 plus court costs 215.04 for a total $1,618.64. That's for rent due through a period of May 31st, 2026, correct?
Yes, please.
It states the plaintiff agrees to a one-time fee adjustment of $425 reflected in 2A. Defendant shall pay $809.31 towards the arrearage to the plaintiff no later than the 25th of May, 2026. Defendant shall pay the remaining balance of $809.30 of arrears to plaintiff no later than June 25th, 2026. Defendant shall pay accruing monthly rent for June on time. As long as the defendant is in compliance with these conditions, no additional late fees shall accrue during this repayment period. That's accurate, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have the right to proceed to trial?
Yes,
Okay, you could have demanded a jury trial, so you want to waive your right to trial on this matter?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, is anyone forcing or threatening you to do that?
No, Your Honor.
You understand partial performance will not satisfy this, so you need to pay the amount due in 2D according to the terms that you agreed to, or you can pay it earlier than that. Otherwise, if you don't comply, the plaintiff can request judgment to enter against you and evict you without giving notice of a new hearing. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
You have 3 business days to return to the court to request to set this aside if you later realize that you misunderstood the rights that you've given up. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I signed it electronically. Can someone give me a dismissal for the other 2 so I can give this to y'all for a copy? Thank you. Any additional matters for the record?
Honor.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.